Cold open. Are you struggling to convert your social media followers into customers? Let's delve into some savvy strategies to optimize conversion rates. First up, understanding your audience is crucial. Are they casual browsers, die-hard fans, or somewhere in between? Tailor your content to engage them effectively. Next, ensure your posts are visually appealing and easy to digest. A captivating image coupled with a compelling caption can do wonders. Remember, consistency is key. Regularly posting high-quality content keeps your audience engaged and your brand at the forefront of their minds. Optimize your call to action. Make it clear, concise, and compelling. If people don't know what you want them to do, they won't do it. Lastly, don't forget to measure your success. Use analytics to track conversions and modify your strategy accordingly. Apply these tips and watch your social media conversion rates soar. Until next time, keep optimizing.